right. Actually, for UP, at this point in the game, we haven't really seen much of those power hits, but they're going more for the place shot.
And like Pat mentioned in her report earlier, they really do have the height advantage. And there's a lot that you can do with that. And they know that if they get the timing right, their blocks are pretty right on the mark. They're pretty efficient. First error.
First service error for Hervasio.
And we have a substitution here. Barcelona coming back into the game. Esada will sit out. I guess they tried to strengthen the back. Esada, the former libero, who we know is a very strong defensive player, comes in even with the libero on the court. So they put a lot of premium on making sure that they get the ball up so that Data, the setter, can set up also. No?
That's right. And
that's a point there. Care of number 5, Angeli Araneta. We haven't heard from her much in the first 2 sets. She scores for UP. Quick play by Gretchen Ho.
this is what Coach Roger is looking for, the variation in attacks for Ferrer.
Talk about keeping the blockers of UP guessing. Nobody would have guessed that Gretchen Ho was going to come from nowhere and put in that quick, and Acevedo was the second service ace. She had one in the first set, I believe. We have a timeout. Let's listen to Coach Roger this time of Ateneo.
Si Neta, ang palo ni Neta kanina pa, puro papunta sa kanan eh. So, tapatan mo lang siya doon. Hintayin mong yung bola tatama sa kamay mo bago mo ididiin. Pero wag mong sasabayan yung ganun niya sa ididiin mo. Mas lamang kasi siya sa ganun eh. Dahil siya naglalaglag lang siya, ikaw pumablock eh. Lugi ka. Tapos ikaw, pagka nandun na, lumabas ka. Hindi ka lumalabas, 2 beses na naiiwan ka doon. Jem, pag naiiwan siya, kunin mo yung pwesto yan, depensahan mo. Ha?
Hindi ako yun. You see the coaching style of Coach Roger. More than taking out the board and setting up plays, talagang tinututukan niya yung galaw ng bawat player.
Oo, meron siyang point for each player na kailangan nilang i-adjust, which I think is working for the girls right now. They're able to adjust well when they come back into the court.
And I think that's something as a new player, a rookie or sophomore player, you feel secure about kapag sinasabi sa'yo eksakto kung ano yung mali o tama mo. And then, as you gain more experience, malalaman mo na rin yan. But there's some comfort in knowing that somebody is watching you and really telling you what you need to do exactly when you're on the court.
Look at this point. Data, her own version.
Oh, kala mo ikaw lang dyan, Ferrer. Sabi ni Data, meron din siyang magic. Nice point there by UP. And Data, a courageous Data, she goes up for the block. 5-4 of her 5-3. Maliit lang ito si Data eh. Although, hindi siya nakapuntos doon, pero it's worth mentioning. It's pretty impressive that she will go up for the block anyway.
Usually for people with, I'd say, not gifted with much height, ang
bait mo.
Pag hindi ka katangkad, ang bilin lang ng coach na dapat sinasalo mo lang yung bola. You just try to reach for the ball to at least be able to deflect it.
Ateneo 3 points away from winning the second set. They enjoy a 7-point lead against UP. They took the first set 20-25 or 25-20. Jem Ferrer outside set to Kainglet. And that's where Kainglet likes it. She just likes the open sets like that. And then siguro yun ang gusto niya. Bigyan mo lang ng open kasi yung hang time ko, mahaba-haba. Ayan, pili lang siya ng spot.
And the height, the reach, of her attack. Kaya she has a clear view of where she can bring the ball.
The girls in blue, the Ateneo Lady Eagles, are not necessarily statistically or tall by statistics, but they play tall. Like we see Kainglet there. Again, finding the corner cross court this time. They play tall, and their hand time and their verticals are pretty impressive.
That's right.
Set point for Ateneo here in the second set. Seems to be an easier time for them taking UP. Gervasio. Nice save. Jem Ferrer sending that one over. And a chance here for UP to stay in the second set.
Because the ball was too close to the net.
Oh, actually, umover na eh. No?
Oo. Eh, ang tangkad ng blocker ng UP.
Yun na. Still set point though for Ateneo. No room for errors by UP. Gervasio from behind the attack line scores and wins it again. She gets set point once again in the second set. 25-16 final score. Set number 2. We'll take a break. Third set coming right up.